In the wintertime, you can find Jeff down in Grand Canyon working for SWS Cayman on 7 Mile Beach, flipping, spinning, teaching people how to fly board all winter long. Or in the summertime, you can find them hanging out in Muskoka. Make sure to show us some love. Muskoka Top Flyboard on Instagram. Here we go, over another big backflip, laying it out. Make some noise, folks, for Jeff going big here today. He's got a torn bicep, a tricep, that's why he's wearing that funky armband. He's fired up, he's happy to be here, we're happy to be here. We want to thank the town of Timmins, the city of Timmins, for bringing the water circus. Jeff is currently ranked 5th in Canada for flyboarding. Moving on down representing some artists for us.